everyone, today in this session we'll discuss how to push Java project to Azure Repos with .gitignore file. First, we have to sign up for the Azure DevOps. Here I have created an organization called Gogetmyguru. So next, in this Gogetmyguru organization, we'll create a project. So click on this new project. Here I will give the project name as sum of two numbers. So in description I will write sum of two numbers Java project. Here I will select it as public so that people on internet can view this project. Then click here create. So now in Azure DevOps sum of two numbers project is created. Next, to write Java program, we'll learn Spring Tool Suite for IDE. Here I have selected the path and this Java underscore project is the folder which I have created in desktop. So now click on this launch. So now Spring Tool Suite for IDE has launched. Next, to write Java program, click on this create a Java project. Here I will give project name as sum of two numbers. Then click finish. Then we'll create a class. So right click and here select class. And we'll give class name as sum of two numbers. And here we'll select this public static void main and then click on finish. And we'll start writing program. For example, here I'll write int num1 is equal to 2 and int num2 is equal to 3 and int result is equal to num1 plus num2. So in print statement, we'll write system.out.println result. So we'll run this code now. Here we'll select this Java application and click on OK. So here we are getting the output is 5. Next, what we have to do? Next, we'll go to the root location of this Java project. Next, we have to clone Azure DevOps project to this project. So right click here and select git bash here and type command git clone with URL. So go to Azure DevOps and here select repos. In repos, you will get this URL. Copy this URL. Go to git bash and paste it here. Then hit enter. So now in this sum of two numbers project .git subdirectory is added. Next, to add .gitignore file, we'll open this project in VS Code. So here select this and delete this and here type cmd and hit enter. Here type code space dot and once again hit enter. And here we'll create a .gitignore file. So click on this new file and here type .gitignore. So what is this .gitignore file? It is a text file which instructs Git to ignore certain files or folders in a project. So which are the files need to be added in this .gitignore file? So go to browser and type gitignore java and click on this first link and here select this raw, copy this, go to VS Code and paste it here and keep a copy of this .gitignore file in src folder. Then open terminal. To add all the files to local git repository, here we'll write command git space add space dot, then hit enter. Then to save changes which we have made in files, so we'll write command here git space commit -m. In double quotes we'll write .gitignore file is add. Here -m flag stands for message which is used to add commit message to command. Then give enter. Next, to push Java project to the Azure Repos, we'll write command git push origin master. Then give enter. So this command returns the message like this. That means the project which is in local repository is now available at remote repository. Then go to Azure DevOps, refresh it. Here you can see the Java project added to the Azure Repos. To see the code, here click on this source folder and click on this sum of two numbers .java file. And this is the code which we have written in Spring Tool Suite for IDE. This is how we'll push Java project to Azure Repos. Please subscribe to our channel, help us to grow. Thanks for watching.